Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this beautiful dress, kissing pleating, and it's going to have a tight sleeve on it. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and watch and learn from it. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching.
Welcome back. We are making this beautiful fabric with kissing pleats. This is the top that we want to cut first, and this is the material that we use for the kissing pleats. Is 2.5 that we are going to use to make the kissing pleats. So let's start with the top side of it now. So what I will do, we'll start with the measurement to get the length. The length that I'm using is 15, and don't forget we'll also our sleeve will be tied. It will have a tight sleeve. So this is the length of my top, that the half length that we are using now is 16. So that is the length here, 16. So we come to the shoulder side of it. Our shoulder is 14, that is 7, 14. So I will just mark 14 throughout to get a straight line. So I will roll it. So now this is where we'll start our body measurement, that is the bust measurement. Our bust measurement is 32. So 32, what will you have in your tape is 8. So this is 8 that I'm marking. Adding my sewing allowance, 2 is what I'm adding. So we have gotten it. That is the bust measurement, and I want to get the armhole. So this is the armhole. So I've gotten my armhole. So we'll come to the waist measurement, because after the bust now is the waist measurement. The waist measurement is 26. So divide 26 into 4. What will it give you? To give you 6.5. This is my 6.5. Adding 1 inch for my, that's before the allowance. So that is the allowance. I'm adding my sewing allowance 2. So we're done with that. So you come to the neck. So the neck I'm marking 3.5. So to bring it down, that the cleavage, I'm bringing it down with 5.5 is v-neck. So let's change it. I don't want that v again. I want to make it to be round. So I'm bringing it with 4. I'm bringing the neck with 4, like the downside. So just take it. So this is the round. This is how you go with your round neck. So can you see? So to slope it, like the shoulder, I'm bringing it with half inch. This is my half inch. So to connect it, I've sloped it. That is the shoulder side of it. So we're done with the measurement. Can you see that it's very easy, very simple? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So what I will do now, just to connect it from the bust to the waist, is what I'm connecting it to. So I've connected from the bust to the waist. So what next is just for us to cut it out. So before then, let me just bring it down from the next back side of the neck. I'm bringing it down with 2.5. So that is the next side, in case if I want to cut the back side of it. So let me cut the neck now. I'm cutting this one that I marked as the back, because I will use it to cut the main back when I want to cut the back side. So this is the shoulder side, and come to the down side. This is it. So I'm cut it, the armhole. This is the armhole. So we've cut it. So can you see how it is now? So for the down side, let me just remove this label. I don't want it to appear. So we're done with the front side. So I will just take this front to lay it to the back side of it. So let me remove it. So this is the back side, that is the material that we'll use and cut the back. So I've laid it. So just for me now to use the front that we marked and place it. So this is the front. I'm using it to place at the back side and to give my zipper allowance. So this is my zipper allowance. My zipper allowance is 1.5. My zipper allowance is 1.5. So I'm marking 1.5. 1.5. So that is the 1.5 for my zipper allowance. So what next? Just for us now to cut, because we have already used the front side to cut it out. So I'm going to cut. So I will start from the neck side. So this is the neck. I'm cutting it. This is it. The arm, shoulder. The down side of it that I'm cutting also. So that is it. The side of it that I'm cutting. The armhole. So don't forget that the sleeve is a tight sleeve that we will use, because it will be armless, and we'll also now put the tight sleeve on it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Share it to your friends. So let me open the zipper side of the back. That is the zip side. So that is it. So from the front neck, I've not cut it before. So let me cut it a round neck. This is what we are making on this top, and it's a kissing plate dress that we are making. Don't forget that I've shown you the material that we will use. So what we do, just for us now to go and do the kissing and do everything about this style. So let's go and sew it out. So it has a lining, so we want to use it to cut the lining now. So I've laid it, I want to cut it now. So please guys, don't forget that we are making a kissing plate and it has a tight sleeve on it. So just watch what I'm doing so that you can do it on your own. So I'm cutting it now from the lining. So cut the front with the front that I'm cutting now. So that is the cutting that you can see. So the armhole side is what I'm cutting now. So I've cut it out. So this is the next side of it too that I'm cutting. So after cutting, we just take it to the machine and stitch. So this front side is cut. So let me also cut the back side of it with the lining also. So I'm cutting the back side of it. So can you see what I'm doing? So this is the cutting. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share it to your friends. Let them also watch it so that they can make it on their own. So we're done with it. Let me open the zipper side, that's from the lining. So everything is set now. Just I'll take it to the machine and stitch. So this is it now. This is the front, this is the back. This is my kissing plate. So I'm folding it by 4 inch that we are using to fold it out. So we'll take it to the machine and go and stitch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch my video to the end. So we have a tie sleeve also. The tie sleeve will be 2 inch and the length is 30. So what we will do now, just take it to the machine and go and stitch. So this is the tying sleeve now that I'm telling you about, 2 inch. So what we do, go and stitch it now. Thank you.
Yes, our dress is ready. Our kissing pleated dress is ready. It has a tight sleeve on it. Very beautiful. So I hope you understood everything that we did here. If you don't understand, you can watch the video again and again so that you can learn how to make it on your own. We have already made video like this before. You can also check my other videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.